Grapevines do it, monkeys see and monkeys do. Even baby possums do it, you can do it too.
You've got to gather up the bundle yourself and hold it tight. Make sure the smaller coil of the tendril tie is inside that bundle. Keep a good grip on it. Now stretch out the larger coil and start wrapping it around the bundle. Be sure to get the large coil wrapping properly. But if you don't grip the bundle tightly or incorrectly wrap the large coil, the whole thing might unravel and the tendril tie won't do its job. Want to keep a tendril tie on your cable? No problem. The eye of the tendril is the part between the large coil and the small coil. To attach your tendril to a cable, just snug the cable into the eye where you want it, and then start winding the tail coil around the cable. This will hold the tendril tie in place, but you can still remove it or adjust it if need be. When you are wrapping up a cable with a tendril tie installed on it, remember to gather up and constrict it while holding the small tail coil. Then, while holding it tightly, just wrap it up with the larger coil like we talked about earlier. The end of the large coil will snap in. Here is a cool trick with the smaller tail coil. We call it tying the eye. To do this, reverse the direction of the tail coil and then wrap it back around the base of the larger coil. The closed eye that is formed can be adjusted from tiny to very large. Here are other examples where tying the eye is used. Great for keychains, bottle openers, and fastening tendril ties to a multitude of objects. Tying the eye is also a handy way to attach a tendril tie to a portable cable. It keeps the tendril more secure, takes up less space, and can make wrapping the cable up easier. Plus, it fits both very small and very large cables better than just wrapping the tail coil directly onto the cable. Here you see how the eye-tied tail is more compact and makes it easier to line up the big coil when beginning the wrapping. Here is a tendril tie fastened with an eye to a small headset cable. And here is a tendril tie fastened with an eye to a 12-gauge 3-conductor power cord. We have been showing you a medium tendril tie with a regular 6-foot USB cable, but these medium ties can handle much larger bundles too. Just 1 1/2 turns around a bundle, and the tendril tie is locked in a wrap. That is thanks to the strong coil memory, grippy material, and the tip that naturally wants to lock into the bundle. You can see that this bundle is strong. The tendril tie relaxes when it is used on large bundles and looks like it has lost the memory. But it is adapting to the bundle it is used on, so the more you use it, the better it fits the bundle. But don't worry, the tendril tie always wants to return to its original diameter. If you twist it tighter, as we are doing here, it goes back to its original size. This ability to rehabilitate its shape and function is all thanks to our special materials and unique manufacturing process. Exceptionally durable, tendril ties will likely outlast the cables they are installed on.
Grapevines do it, monkeys see and monkeys do. Even baby possums do it, you can do it too.